All of you must have noticed how your laptop heats up after working for some time. The heat generated is so high that few days ago when I was hungry, I fried an egg on my laptop for myself. This heat is coming from the electronic switches, which suffer from the Boltzmann's tyranny effect, which says that the electrons need to be distributed in a particular way, which is thermal. And the fact that the electrons need to jump over an energy barrier to cause current flow. This leads to a fundamental thermal limitation in how low the supply voltage can be. Because of that, billions of dollars of energy is used by the computer industry and just thrown away as heat. The fuels used cause the production of greenhouse gases, which contribute towards global warming. But I'm very happy to tell you today that we have got the solution. I have already developed a prototype device, in which I teach the electrons new tricks. And instead of making them jump over an energy barrier, I make them just tunnel through a wall using its quantum mechanical wave properties. But see, I try the same trick with this gentleman here and make him just walk through a wall. Can you imagine how he would look like when he reaches the other side of the wall? Oops, that's what is happening to the, I'm sorry. Does it go back?
Yes.
My time is running away. Come on. Okay. So using quantum mechanics and material science, I invented an unconventional switch, and a chip containing the switches is attached to my finger right now. So what does this device do? If the red line marks the fundamental thermal limitation of present technology, the device that I invented, those green triangles you see here, defies that fundamental limit. This can lead to power reduction by more than 90%, a record till now. This device also represents the world's thinnest channel subthermal switch. What it means is that for the first time, we can increase functionality by putting in more and more devices into the chip without causing power penalty. Now, we can save billions of dollars of fuel cost. We can reduce the production of greenhouse gases and hence help lower global warming. Well, I may not be able to fry eggs on my laptop anymore if I use these devices, but that's a small price to pay for a greener environment. Thank you very much.